I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot, just like the fajita. I write what I live, my life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow, just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam, I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer.
Jeffrey Hart, are you kidding me? It's time! It's the fair ball down the left field line. In with a stand-up double and the winning run in scoring position. Appearances last time up that resulted in a walk. And it's a slow chopper. And the Big Train win the game! Are you kidding me? Casey Bishop, the hero tonight, and the Big Train take game one of the semifinals. And in 12 innings, a 4-3 final for the Big Train tonight, and what is one of, if not the most exciting games in recent memory for Bethesda.